Do you want to keep more pigs without being a nuisance to the environment? We have the solution for you to significantly reduce emissions and create optimal air conditions in your barns. The Big Dutchman air scrubber technology is the best in the world. We achieve fantastic results in both small and large barns. With our knowledge and experience, the engineers of Big Dutchman have developed a new international standard for air scrubbers in pig houses. We call it Porcus, a new generation in air cleaning. With Porcus, you'll be reducing emissions considerably. We guarantee you, with Porcus Biological, you can reduce 70% ammonia, 45 to 70% odour, and 60% particulate matter. With the chemical Porcus variant, you can reduce 70% to 90% ammonia, 30% odour, and 35% particulate matter. Porcus is the perfect air scrubber solution. We produce, install, and extensively test the air scrubber at Big Dutchman. After this process, the air scrubber is ready for transport. We can deliver it to you anywhere in the world because our air scrubber always fits in a 40-foot container. After installation and connection to your barn, the air scrubber is easy to maintain. This allows you to expand your business while keeping the impact on the environment to a minimum. Do you want to grow your business? We're happy to help you reduce ammonia, odour, and particulate matter emissions. For more information, please contact us, bigdutchman.com.